আব্দুল না তাহলে বলে যাবে হ্যাঁ মুখ করে ঠিক আছে নিচে নামা পথ অত উঁচু হয়ে গেছে দারুণ হয়েছে পার্টি হোমিওপ্যাথি হোমিওপ্যাথি নর্মালে নাও জিওটা ছাড়া নাও এটা দাও নিচ্ছে না না এই তো এখান থেকে ঘুরে যাবো
ভালো করে বল, হাত তুলে তুলে বল। ওয়াক ফর তোরা বলো বলো হোমিওপ্যাথি শিরার উপরে হোমিওপ্যাথি হোমিওপ্যাথি ওটা আরো বেশি করতে হয়ে যাবে।
ওটা আরো বেশি গর্ত হয়ে যাবে।
না বলছি সন্ধ্যাবেলা কোথায়?
চলো চলো চলো।
আমাদের কত কিছু থাকে। আর অনেক
So in homeopathy, we know that medicines are prepared and drug proving is being done by Dr. Madhumita in health. Sort of equipments that are necessary for experimenting of safety and efficacy studies. Our lab mainly focuses on safety studies of homeopathic medicine to establish safety of every homeopathic medicine as per HPA and efficacy of diseases that are long chronic diseases and mostly homeopathy impact, where homeopathy shows the impact. Those kind of efficacy studies that we are conducting here, and our lab are now conducting safety and efficacy on PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome, and as well as we have completed on immunomodulatory and anticonvulsant activity. So these are all our portfolio right now, and in this lab we are equipped with fluorescent microscope, digital fluorescent microscope, where we can see bright field, fluorescence and luminescence through this microscope at microscopic level of even cellular level. Okay, and this here we can see the cells that are spiked with or stained with the DAPI. Using that particular software, Track-Easy software, which is provided by Orchid Scientific, and we have here a black and white camera. So this camera delivers everything to that. That is an AI-enabled software where it tracks. It gives like whether the animal stands, stood, or it is grooming, or it is slept, or it is sat on its behind legs, or it is crawling on the walls. Everything will be recorded there and gives us results. In the Excel sheet, we can see how many times it went into the closed arms. This is closed arms. These are open arms. Usually, animals. So these type of behaviorals are now captured by the particular software, and will record and will assess that particular data and will report the same to our competent authorities. And coming to
fixation of the organ. This is a bottle. It has 10% formalin in it. So it has these are the organs. This is an organ of rats. Okay, and then every basket changes. It has timer in it. We don't have to do anything. It goes by letter. So first automatically changes. Actually, these two, basket 1 and basket 2, it shifts automatically. So it has 3 steps: dehydration, repetitive dehydration, and then clearing, and then once the tissue is after processing, we shift the tissues over here, paraffinized tissues, and then wax. It has 70 degrees, very hot actually. Means after that, how they will wait? एक बार सर एक बार देखिएगा तो लोग किसी को निशा हमारा हाथ
চাপো 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 করে লাগবে
দেখানোর জন্য দেখি না যে টিস্যু যে হয় so from that first we place the tissue over here and then wax will come out, and after once it comes out it looks like this. These are blocks. This is it has organ in it, already organs are there, so it looks this is a tissue embedding station, and this is a cooling station. After this it's completely hot, so we shift over here. This is spoon, and after cooling it hardens like this. This is a block. Sorry, this is it is a block. So after preparation of this block, so this is embedding, and the next step is trimming. So this we shift this block and this. Thinnest layer. These are trims. So there are high blades are there. So we bring this trim skin sections like 3 to, it has a measurement of 3 to 5 micron mostly. And after that we transfer these sections in over here, tissue flotation bar. After transferring, we put an adhesive in a on this like on a slide we put adhesives, and after that we transferred it. Okay, already the tissue has this paraffins, so we have to transfer it again in the slide warmer so that the extra paraffins whatever is there it melts out. Okay, after this thing the next step is staining. So step by step again organ collection, understood? Okay, and then after that all this this is a part of staining step. So for staining first we go for rehydration, that time dehydration, now rehydration. Sorry, first xylene, उसके बाद dehydration, and then we go for staining. For staining we use hematoxylin and eosin mostly over here. So hematoxylin stains the nucleus and eosin for cytoplasm. And after that we go for mounting with DPX mounted, and now the slide is mostly prepared, and then the slide is prepared.
এখানে আমরা সব জিনিসই আর কি লং টার্ম স্টোরেজের জন্য আচ্ছা নেক্সট হচ্ছে সেন্ট্রিফিউগেশন, মানে সেন্ট্রিফিউজ হচ্ছে তো রোটেশন পার মিনিট। তো এবার আমাদের ল্যাবে এক্সপেরিমেন্টাল ডিমান্ডের জন্য আমাদের ডিফারেন্ট সেন্ট্রিফিউজ আছে, যেমন এটাতে কুলিং মানে
বলো অনেক নিয়ে আসি না
Then Dr. Vibhashan Vishwas.